Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your to-do list app. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on notification and reminder. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list, and you go down, you click here on Snooze the task reminder, you click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You come here to Snooze the task reminder, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color is gone, that means Snooze the task reminder disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.